Hey fam, stop chasing millions of views for pennies. I once showed you how 50,000 views can make $5,000, but only if you're in the right niche. Here are the top 3 highest paying niche you should do this week. Software and technology. Companies have massive market budgeting to acquire users. If you teach people how to use AI tools or business software, you are looking at premium CPM because those viewers are high value leads for advertisers. Real estate and high ticket sales. You don't need to be an agent reviewing luxury properties or explaining market trends. Attract an audience ready to spend big. Advertiser will pay a fortune to get in front of them. Number 1, the king of CPM. This is still the undisputed king. Finance and investing. Whether it's credit card rewards, crypto, or stock market basics, you are solving a highest value problem. There is money. This is exact place where real wealth is built on YouTube. Which of these fits your channel's vibe? Let's know in the comments. And subscribe to my channel to stop being a broke creator. Let's get back to work.